Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna be assembling WALL-E, actually baby WALL-E, you can see here. The last video we completely disassembled it, and now we've got all the parts. We've got it all laid out. I got the battery, the motors. I think I'm just gonna, start assembling it. So I was just trying everything out, and everything seems to work. The linear servo actuates, and the compartment servo works. Arms, head rotate, they all work. I haven't connected the N20 motors, but I'll do that now. And the speaker also worked. I can give you a little listen. And you should see some of them. You can see them actuate. So yeah, I'm just gonna solder on the two motors and I'll keep you guys updated. So I was just done with the soldering of the motors, so I'll solder on the speaker and we'll test everything out together. This is part 2 of a series of WALL-E. In part 1 I completely disassembled it with my friend. If you want to see the other part of us disassembling it, you can. You just have to go to the playlist of WALL-E, which I made around, I think yesterday actually. So the speakers are all connected. I think I soldered them right. So let's go test it. Actually, I need to connect one of these servos. I disconnected one of the servos so I didn't accidentally melt the plastic case. Plug it in. Where's the button? Here. Turn it on. Well, that's always a good sign. Oh. This one works. This one works. That one works. This one also did work. I know that the motors work, but I think I didn't show it on camera. But it seems that it's working. If I press this button, this one should actuate. Okay, that works. That's good. Oh, my trash pan's here. This one works. That one works, but we already knew that. And these two worked. So, yeah, is there any other parts? No, I think I'm just gonna, oh, I saw them move again, so that means that's good. I think I'm gonna grab the hot glue gun and start gluing some of these parts together. So put that to the side and this to the side. Oh, this. Oh god. This one works. I think this one stopped working actually. Oh yeah, one of them went off. Okay, that's not good. Let's go fix that real quick. One of the cables came off of the motors. So I'm gonna put that back. Okay. Yeah, so this cable came off, so I'm gonna put that one on again. That was one of the cables that, well, I mean, it wasn't really soldered that good. Okay, that should do. Let's test it out. So we'll grab our battery, plug it in, turn it on, and check the two motors. I can confirm they both do rotate, which is good. That means everything works. That's a bit sad. I was putting the motor in, but glue gone. But one of the cables broke off, so I gotta turn the soldering iron on once again. This time I'll put glue on the connections straight after soldering, in the hopes that it doesn't break again. So that should do. Seems to be on there. I'm gonna go put some glue on these connections before they break off again. Add some hot glue. Okay. I'm gonna add some hot glue to the connections here. Hot glue. Add some hot glue to connections here. And the battery connections, I don't think I even did a strain relief for these because they don't bend that much, so it'll probably be alright. Ow! It'll probably be alright. Just some strain relief here too on the switch connections for a little button. Add some hot glue. And oh my god, I think that's about it for the strain relief. So I think I'm just gonna glue in the motors, and actually I need to do it on the other motor too, so that one doesn't break off. Let's just put this motor in first. Okay. Insert the motor. If I can. Okay, insert the motor. That's motor 1. And motor 2. I won't put the strain relief on yet because I don't think it will fit in the frame if I do that. And oh, there we go. Okay, so let's just glue in these motors. Ow, that hurts. Put it down. And we'll have to wait until all of the glue is done hardening. Okay. A few days ago I was checking out a function I didn't even know that existed, called voice isolation. Basically, so if you're in a video call with someone, you can go to your quick settings, and then you have a bunch of options for your microphone and camera. And I didn't even know this, but you could just say like noise isolation or normal, automatic. It was like really cool, and voice isolation worked really well. So like I just put on some music and I started talking and he didn't hear the music like at all. So Apple, good job. It worked magnificently. I don't know if you can use it for recording videos, but I haven't checked that yet. It's not really a reason to turn it on. But it is a pretty cool function when you're like at a store or at a mall and it's like really crowded and like a lot of background noise. You can just turn it on and it's like noise cancellation for your microphone. It's actually really cool. So this is way too much glue. This is never gonna work. The little flappity flap that sits in front needs to have some room, and this is definitely not giving it. So let's take that away. Okay. Turn hot glue gun. Turn the hot glue gun on again. Also the PCB mounts for people who want to make this, which I really don't recommend. Okay, the files are not that good for this, because I mean I edited the files so that I could use bigger servos, but I mean back when I did that I was still using Tinkercad and didn't know how to use Fusion 360, so the files are pretty much complete dog crap. So if you're downloading them, like, you gotta change some stuff. But for example, this PCB mount, these little pins broke off the first time. Like, after I printed it, I painted it and put the PCB in and they just immediately snapped off. So that's something that would need to be changed. The speaker mount is actually pretty damn perfect, because like you just put it in and it just stays there. So that's pretty good. And apart from that, yeah, the motor mounts are a bit crooked because of this. I scaled it up and so that they are a bit crooked, but not that crooked. They're a little crooked. Okay, I think it's warm again, so we're just gonna fold this up and put some glue in. Sorry if you like can't see at all what I'm doing, but burned my finger with hot glue once, not doing it again. Seriously, like, I mean, that happened while assembling Wally for the first time, but I burned my finger on hot glue because I just bought this new hot glue gun and I didn't know it could get really hot, and it got so hot I accidentally touched the glue and I just burned the heck out of my finger. So that was pretty stupid of me, but I mean, lesson learned. I never did it again. So I hope I'm not doing it again, because it really hurt. The glue's almost hard, and I think I'm not gonna need to cut some away of this, because it looks pretty wide, but we'll see about that. I'm gonna go grab that. Oh. And oh yeah, this is some modification I did, because it snapped off, like, because I mean this was the part that didn't work at all for me because of the scaling up, and I had to change, I had to put it on and off a lot, and at some point it just didn't like me anymore and snapped off. Also, I need to, okay, there. Why is if you don't know what happened, it is just a tad too big, so we gotta cut a little bit off. Some parts that were sticking out. So, I think that will do. So let's see. Why? That little part. Okay. Let's also take this off. Oh, that was the bit. Let's see if I can take this off. These little gluey blobs for the hinge. The hinge actually worked really good. Professor Booth used hot glue. Oh damn. Broke the tip of the knife. Oh god. But no, it's a pretty good design. It worked really well, but I had to take it apart and put it back together so many times. I was getting pretty annoyed with it. But that ain't Professor Booth's fault. Why is it not fitting now? Ah, now the glue is too big. So let's cut that away. If I just... Oh god, I don't want to break anything, but... Hopefully that's in frame. Oh, yeah, almost. So, I think that's it. So it just barely did not fit, so I hope that this will make it fit. Oh, no, now it's just barely fitting, and I maybe want to run a cable next to it or something, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit more off. Okie dokie. I think that's it. Let's see how well that fits. Let's see. Oh, that's magnificent. The glue barely does not hit it, but it does sit nice and good. So that's good, and I won't glue it in yet because the battery and stuff needs to go in first. I did not go that generous on these speaker wires, but oh well. Hopefully I can get it in without that much trouble. I'm gonna go put the battery in right now, which is the scary part. Hopefully I don't kaboom kaboom anything, because like I said in the last video, I don't want anything going kaboom kaboom in my room. Let's see if I can just get that in. These wires need to go down there, because when they're down there, they can, because they're so long, they can, oh yeah, there it is. Okay, now I just need to take these cables, oh sorry if I'm getting in the way, but just take these cables and wedge them, oh shit, wedge them down, so they don't interfere with anything, because they are also way too long, so they need to go down there, so they don't take up any needed space. Because even though I scaled it up, man, bigger servos, bigger battery, it makes it hard. And most of this extra space that I originally had was just gone with spacers and mounts. So like that much space extra is not even there. So it's still pretty hard. So I'll add a tad of hot glue to the battery. Okay. Anyway, the battery is glued in, so I'm just gonna wait for it to cool down.